Well, we begin this half hour with how Wall Street is going to pot. This week, for the first time, a major investment firm announced it is going to put its money behind marijuana.
It's a move the company believes will open the floodgates for more investment, an important step on the path to end pot prohibition. How big an investment are we talking about?
A multi-million-dollar investment.
Jeff Lewis's firm, Founders Fund, a $2 billion company, made its name investing early in Facebook, Spotify, and SpaceX. Now, they're betting on pot.
Was there a lot of discussion in your office about this?
We discussed all our investments for a long time, so particularly in this space, obviously, we did a extra deep dive on the business.
The business is recreational marijuana.
Is this a watershed?
It is. It's an important milestone for us as a company, but it's really important for the entire industry.
Brendan Kennedy is CEO of Privateer Holdings, the parent company of 3 cannabis brands. Tilray, which grows marijuana in Canada, Leafly, an online database of different pot strains and stores, and Marley Natural, from the family of reggae star Bob Marley, which aims to become the Marlboro of marijuana.
How difficult is it to get investment money like this now?
Raising money is always difficult, but raising money in this particular industry is the hardest thing I've ever done.
But Founders Fund is backing Kennedy's companies because they see a future in what they say is already a $40 billion business in the U.S.
We will see it transform from being a market that's based on prohibition, an illicit market, to being a fully legal, transparent, open market.
We have no special regulations.
UCLA professor Mark Kleeman, who studies the cannabis marketplace, warns investors, beware.
A lot of people are crowding into the marijuana industry because they think they're going to be able to sell a legal good at illegal prices. Competition's not going to allow that. Legal cannabis is going to be dirt cheap. And I think a lot of people are going to lose their shirts trying to sell it.
If they don't get arrested first. Under federal law, marijuana is still illegal. While the Department of Justice says it won't prosecute cannabis companies following state laws, that could change.
Do you see any risk that sentiment could shift back here?
I don't see that risk. Over 80% of Americans believe that medical cannabis should be legal, 8 out of 10. You can't get 8 out of 10 Americans to agree on anything.
This is a milestone. It's like the first major Wall Street type investment firm that's backing a marijuana company. And as we say, they're hoping this is just the beginning now.
Fascinating to hear how the market will respond if it's flooded with it, that the prices will go down.
Well, I mean, yeah, the feeling is that, as they actually say, that everybody who wants to use marijuana is using it, but the transition to a legal marketplace is what's really going to open things up. All right, tomorrow on 60 Minutes, 1 year after Colorado legalized the sale of marijuana, Bill Whitaker speaks with Governor John Hickenlooper about the inevitable problems and what's being done to solve them. That's tomorrow night on 60 Minutes here on CBS.